Hey guys, welcome back to the channel for a new video. See behind me, we've got the NC Miata with the hood open, and that means we are doing some engine work today on the 2.5 swapped NC Miata. Something that I've noticed recently when just cruising at kind of a lower RPM, around 20 to 30 miles per hour, I start to get this rattling sound right from this general area here. And it's nothing on the inside of the engine, it is an external noise. So in my little bit of research that I've been doing on the subject, I have come to two conclusions. One, I could have an idler pulley that is going out, and two, I could have a belt tensioner pulley that is going out. So I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show you guys if you are experiencing some rattling coming from the outside of your engine, inside your engine bay, that this may be an issue that you can fix for actually really cheap. And it's pretty easy to access. Your battery is here, mine is moved over here just because I have a smaller battery, but all you have to do is take out your battery and then you have pretty easy access to your belt tensioner down there and your idler pulley right here. And you really only need a couple tools to do this. I've got a large breaker bar. You can probably get away with using a smaller ratchet, but this will make it a little bit easier. A 10, a 12, and a 14 millimeter socket, and then your new pieces right here. So this is your belt tensioner. These are both aftermarket, but they should do just fine. They're pretty cheap. I think they were about $10 to $15 each. And then we've also got our idler pulley right here, brand new as well. So this is all we need to get started on this project. All right, and I did use the breaker bar at the beginning, but it kind of got stuck. So I would just recommend using a ratchet to get the tensioner off. And here are our old one, and then obviously our two new ones. So big differences here in the idler pulleys. So pressing it down, this one is really tight, doesn't move at all, like on the bearing. This one has, 100,000 miles, well over that. And putting it together, it definitely has some play in it, and you can hear it clicking like that. So that sounds like what the engine sounds like when I hear that rattling coming from the engine bay. So you can also see too, it's really worn down. It's not as tight as the new one is gonna be on our belt. And then here too, on the tensioner, you can hear that rattling. It's just old. And our new one, nothing, nice and tight. So easy upgrade over your stock stuff. It's not like an upgrade, but upgrade as far as maintenance goes to refresh a little part of your engine. You can toss these, throw in your new ones, and be on your way. I want to note too, this is a good time to change your belt out if you want to. I don't need to, my belt's still pretty new and it doesn't look like it's damaged in any way, so I'm gonna leave it as is, but if you wanted to swap it out, now would be the time to do so. So let's jump back into the engine bay, install our new parts, and wrap up this install. that is it. Really pretty easy to do. Just make sure your belt is all aligned on your AC compressor and power steering and all of that. And really that's it. Start up the engine, see if the noise is still there, and you're done. And that is pretty much it. Pretty simple to do. It's just so hot out here. If I look tired, it's just because it's like 100 degrees out in the garage still, but fall is on the way, thank God. So thanks so much for tuning into the channel. I know this was just like a simple thing to do, but I figured it would be a good resource for any of you NC owners out there, or even Ford Fusion owners, or anybody who has the Duratec engine. So with that being said, if you guys are new to the channel, this is the first video you're seeing, or if you're a regular viewer and haven't done this already, go down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.